Welcome friends. We will begin this video from where we left the last video. So in last video we have stylized this context/form input, select and text area, and this is the preview of this form which we left. So I come back to my Notepad++ code editor. So friend, once again I write here text area and I make two curly brackets, and inside I define it is height 100 pixel, and I give some margin top to it, margin top 20 pixel, with 100% and semicolon to close. Height 100 pixel, margin top 20 pixel, and with 100%. So now I come here friend on my browser and refresh this page. So you see now this text area is also showing. Once again I go back to my Notepad++, and friend here I call the input tag directly, and I make two square brackets, and here I write type is equal to checkbox. So I press enter and I make curly bracket, and friend inside this curly bracket first I close it so you could understand it more easily. I will define the margin 0 and padding is also 0. Control S to save. So friend, now I come here to my browser and refresh this page. So you see now this text has checkbox has come little to left side, right under the newsletter, due to using this technique. Input square brackets type is equal to checkbox, and inside this curly brackets I gave margin 0 and padding 0. So friend, now I come out of it, and now I will call context/form dot sent /it /submit hover, but not hover, first is only the submit, and I make two curly brackets, Control S to save. First of all I would like to show you, I go to my index.html page, and in the end you see that I have made this submit input type submit, and I made this class sent/it/submit. So friend, now I am calling this class here because this class is inside the context/form class, context/form dot space dot sent/it/submit. So here I will stylize this class. So first of all I will give it this background color, background #EB7E22 semicolon, and now I will define it is color black semicolon. I define it is width 100 pixel, height for it 50 pixel. I also define margin bottom 15 pixel. I scroll it down. Font size 18 pixel. Enter. Margin slash left 150 pixel and semicolon to close. So now friend, you see that I have stylized this class sent /it/submit, and now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So you see that this send button is showing in this way. So now I come back here and now I stylize. It is hover style. So friend, I press enter and easily, first of all, I copy all this class, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste column, and here I will just write hover and I make two curly brackets, and inside I use it background hash EB7E22 semicolon to close, and I give some color to it, color pink. Ctrl S to save. So friend, now I go here. Friend, I reload this page. So I bring my cursor over it. Now you see that sent it color is changed to pink. So once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor, and friend, I come out of it, and here I make a static string column and write focus curly brackets, and here I write outline none and semicolon to close. So now friend, I come here and refresh this page. So now you see that its outline has been finished and now it is looking more good. You can also change its color, hover color. So in spite of pink, you can give it green. I come here and refresh this page. So now its color has been changed to green, and you also give it cursor pointer. Ctrl S to save. I come back here and refresh. Now you see that your cursor shape also changes when I bring it over sent it button. So friend, in this video I have finished the stylizing of our contact form. So I will come in next video and do some more work over it.